Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide case took a new turn after it emerged Tuesday that his father KK Singh filed an FIR. Sushant Singh Rajput's father has in the FIR accused 6 people including Rhea Chakraborty for abetment to suicide. Earlier, Rhea Chakraborty had admitted to being the late actor's girlfriend in an open letter to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. She had pleaded for a CBI probe in the matter. Reports says, amid the saga involving Sushant Singh Rajput's case, Rhea Chakraborty has been accused of cheating the deceased actor and exploiting him financially. Soon after the FIR, Rhea's lawyer Anandini Fernandez was spotted visiting the actress at her house. She was in discussion with her lawyer for more than 2 to 3 hours. However, both the actress and her family members refused to talk to the media regarding the incident. According to the information received, the family members have expressed their doubts about Rhea and her family having betrayed Sushant, grabbed his money and tortured him mentally. Not only this, Sushant was completely cut off from the family. Sushant Singh Rajput's father further said in the statement, when Rhea saw that Sushant was not obeying her and his bank balance was decreasing, Rhea felt that Sushant was of no use to her now. The statement claimed that Rhea was staying with Sushant till 8 June 2020. After this, she went from the house with all the cash, jewelry, laptop, credit card and her PIN number, all the necessary documents and treatment papers of Sushant Singh Rajput. Recently, Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti spoke for the first time about getting justice for her late brother. A new post by Shweta Singh Kirti, sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, once again puts a question mark on whether the actor actually died of suicide as his post-mortem has suggested, or was there any other foul means involved. Shweta's Facebook post Friday evening shows Sushant was actually planning ahead in life and had chalked out plans for his daily regime till 29th June. In the Facebook post, Shweta shared a photograph of a whiteboard. On the board, in Sushant's handwriting, is a daily to-do list for himself. Fearing evidence is being tampered with in the ongoing investigation of Sushant's death case, his sister Shweta Singh Kirti has penned an open letter on Saturday morning to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting him to intervene. In her letter, she has also claimed that Sushant did not have a godfather in Bollywood and similarly his family does not have one in life. She said in reply to a fan's request for a CBI investigation into Sushant's death, "We were waiting for Mumbai police to finish the investigation and come up with the report. On the other hand, actress Ankita Lokhande, who dated Sushant Singh Rajput for a while, took to social media and shared a cryptic post day after the FIR was filed against actress Rhea Chakraborty by the family of the late actor. Ankita Lokhande said that the actor had an admirable zest for life and she can never believe that he died of suicide because of depression. In a first interview post Sushant's demise after 14th June, Ankita said the actor was a happy guy who never let success or failure affect him to the extent of getting depressed. Ankita posted an image that reads "Truth wins" on her social media accounts without mentioning anything else. Latest reports state that when a 4-member police team from Bihar reached at Rhea Chakraborty's Mumbai residence for investigation, she was allegedly missing. The police is on the lookout for her now. In an exclusive interview to a media, Sushant's bodyguard said Sushant would be unconscious and asleep. The party would be at his expense. He was used as a money card. The Supreme Court is likely to hear a transfer petition filed by actress Rhea Chakraborty on 5th of August. Rhea has moved to the Supreme Court Wednesday demanding that the case registered against her by the Bihar police should be transferred to the Mumbai police. On the other hand, the Enforcement Directorate (ED) has filed a money laundering case in connection with the death of Hindi cinema actor Sushant Singh Rajput, officials said Friday. When the case is now going through a lot of controversies, the Kedarnath actor's fans want justice for him. Hashtag Justice for SSR is now trending on social media. With the rising cases of COVID-19, Team Odisha Post Live appeals its viewers to stay home, stay safe, only come out when it's absolutely necessary with your masks and maintain proper social distancing. To stay updated, stay with us.